Hey everyone, it's Claire, and today I'm just going to share with you my after workout smoothie. This is a great way to get your vegetables, your fruits, and a pack full of protein after a workout. It's very simple and it tastes really good, so let's go ahead and get started. And while you're here, if you would go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, that will help me out a lot. So let's get right into it.
Alright, so starting off, you're going to be adding some fruit or berries of your choice. You also want 1 whole banana, a handful of walnuts, some almond milk. I like to use Almond Breeze, but you can choose your brand. And you can also use orange juice if you want to make it a sweeter smoothie, but that's just up to you. And then you're going to add 1 scoop of your protein powder, and I like to use pea protein, which I'll show you in the link below the description. And a handful of lettuce or other greens. You can use kale, you can use collards, it's just up to you. And now we're just going to blend this together. If you need to add more juice or milk, you can totally do that.
Alright everyone, so that is my video. Here we have our smoothie. You can definitely use other fruits if you want to, and you can also add other vegetables. A lot of times the fruit helps to make it so it tastes sweet even when you do add vegetables. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!